Hey there folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 4820 Citrus Avenue here in Canaveral Groves, Florida, which is a part of Cocoa. And I am on a property that is a full acre of beautifully landscaped, amazing looking here. We're going to give you a nice little span there, and then we're going to head into the house. Now this home has some unique features. Like, first of all, it's a normal 2-car garage right here, but when we get out back, you'll see it's got an additional building that's another 4-car garage. And along with that 4-car garage, we're going to go backwards here so you can kind of keep watching and seeing what's outside behind us. Along with that 4-car garage out there, it's got this cool screened in area. So here we go. We are stepping right in here through the front door. And in the front door here, we've got this huge living room area, tons of space. And of course, check that out. Right outside the back door there, we've got that amazing pool. And we're going to jump over here real quick to the guest side of the home. So super cute here. And they've got this nice custom done wall. So if you have a child, that is pretty amazing. Back in through the closet. And we will continue on our touring here. So this is the bedroom on the other side. And nice tile floor all the way through here. And then we've got our guest bathroom. We've got our one sink. And then this one has this gorgeous shower with this gorgeous tile. Very unique home. A lot of really cool touches. And we're going to go through the living room. And as you can see, we've got that pool right outside the door there. We are going to go over into the primary bedroom. And this room is absolutely huge. As you can see, we've got the bed, we have a crib, we have large furniture. We're going to go to this side because we have another custom wall done in here. So I want you to be able to take a look at that. And of course, if you don't like it, you can paint over it, but it is pretty cool and definitely unique. We're going to go into the primary bathroom. We've got a nice countertop here with lots of cabinets, big mirror, and then we are going to look on the other side. You've got this huge walk-in closet. Look at this. Plenty of space there. And then as we go into the primary bathroom, got this amazing shower. And isn't this tile awesome? Goes all the way up. Super cool blue. So pretty awesome there. And then as we flip around, we do have another sink area here. Mirror, of course, cabinets, and then in here we've actually got a tub on this side. Again, more of that amazing looking tile. And we are going to cruise right back through here, again back through the primary bedroom, and then we're going to go check out the kitchen. So we are going to hop into this kitchen area. Lots and lots of cabinet space. It's got that cool shelf up top. I know it's a little harder to tell from the video, but you can put all kinds of cool stuff up there. And then we've got the refrigerator, nice countertop, plenty of space to put some bar stools. Do a little eating kitchen here. Pantry, of course, on this side. And then we've got our washer dryer here. And around the corner here, I know it's just a garage, but we'll take a quick gander at the garage. Nice big garage. You can see you got some extra space. Actually have some closets on this side over here, so we do have plenty of room there. Sorry, a little bit of an awkward turn there for everybody. And we are going to go right on through here, and we are going to go out the door. So we are going to jump out into this backyard. And I promised you a pool, so there is our pool. Nice little area to eat in over here. Plenty of room for a barbecue. You can come in through that side yard if you needed to get back into the backyard from the front. And perfectly landscaped. Nice little tire swing out there. And there is our 4-car garage with our added screened-in area. And we'll keep panning around here. I'm sure you've seen that we have the window units in there. The AC on this home did go out, and the seller is offering a concession at close to cover getting some AC units in here. And again, nice pool home, Canaveral Groves area, 4820 Citrus Avenue. And we are listed at $499,000, and for that $499,000, you are getting a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home over 1,600 square feet. Pool, acre of property, and that back garage back there, you can use that as a garage if you have some automobiles. You could use it as a workout area. You could make that into a mother-in-law suite. The possibilities are absolutely endless. So I hope you liked our tour here in Canaveral Groves. And if you're interested in seeing this property in person, please feel free to give me a call. Margaret Klein. Phone number is 321-480-7662. I hope to see y'all soon. And if you have any questions or want to see the property, don't hesitate to give me a call. Signing off here in Canaveral Groves, which is in Cocoa, Florida. And one more little thing, if you're not watching from Florida, we're in September here. Everybody's out in shorts and t-shirts, and boy, if I was allowed to jump in that pool, that's where I'd be. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.